With TeamTime, you can simplify time and attendance management and automate timekeeping processes. TeamTime uploads timekeeping information directly into WinTeam, so it's immediately ready for payroll and billing. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces errors, and makes expensive interfaces unnecessary. TeamTime has tools that help you confirm your cleaners are on site and on time. Address attendance issues immediately to make sure all shifts and sites are covered. Set travel time parameters and clock in and out tolerances to keep labor costs in check. Set up alerts via email, voicemail, or text to notify you of issues like tardiness, absenteeism, or caller ID mismatch. TeamTime helps businesses automate timekeeping processes, control labor costs, and manage your distributed workforce with our time and attendance software. TeamTime also makes timekeeping information immediately ready for payroll, invoicing, and reporting in WinTeam, so you spend less time fussing with data and more time on high-value activities. It's one system with two timekeeping methods. Telephone timekeeping. Teleteam is a trusted interface voice response IVR solution that requires just a telephone, designated phone number, and employee ID. Employees clock in and out in a matter of seconds, and their location is verified with caller ID. It's a simple, flexible solution with voice verification and multiple language options. Mobile Team Time. Team Time for Mobile lets your employees use their mobile device to clock in and out and GPS verification to confirm employee location. Since Team Time for Mobile is part of eHub, employees can leverage other job-related tools on their phones or tablets, and you can enjoy the productivity that comes with on-the-go workforce management. It's a snap to manage Team Time. Team Time has tools that help you confirm your cleaners and officers are on site and on time. Address attendance issues immediately to make sure all shifts and sites are covered. Set travel time parameters and clock in-out tolerances to keep labor costs in check. Set up alerts via email, voicemail, or text to notify you of issues like tardiness, absenteeisms, or caller ID mismatch. Access attendance information in real time. See comprehensive time and attendance reports.